Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to block a customer or blacklist a customer or a client that purchases from you on Shopify. Now you can actually go and do that with an app. So you will need to go to your Shopify app store, and obviously you will need to go and just search for the fraud detection or blocking a customer. But as you can see, this is basically what you need to do. You can type in fraud filter. Here you will get a bunch of different fraud filters that you can use to filter out and block customers on Shopify. Now, as you can see, how you can actually block customers, all you have to do is go to the customers, and then here, as you can see, you can go and you can select the customers and then edit the customers, and then as you can see, you can have more actions and then delete the customer. You can also obviously go and prevent the customer from purchasing from you. As you can see, this will prevent the customer from accessing your store or placing any orders. And then you can also add a note, to the customer as well. Now, as you can see, if you're considering blocking customers on Shopify, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, blocking a customer will prevent them from accessing your shop or placing orders. Additionally, blocking a customer can negatively affect your shop's reputation and may result in lost sales. However, you probably already know that, so that's why you want to obviously block the customer. So if you have any questions or comments around this, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.